Welcome to our video on how to easily take the first steps in crypto investing. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of what you need to know to start investing in cryptocurrency. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency. Before you invest in anything, it's important to understand what you're investing in. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin was the first and is the most well-known cryptocurrency, but there are others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Research the different types of cryptocurrency. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, and it's important to understand the differences between them. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have been around longer and are more well-known. Others, like Ethereum, are newer and have different uses and features. Choose a reliable and secure wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is like a bank account for your digital currency. It's where you store your coins, and it's important to choose a wallet that is reliable and secure. You can choose from a variety of different types of wallets, such as software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Find a reputable exchange. Exchanges are where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It is important to find a trustworthy exchange with a good track record, as there have been cases of exchanges shutting down or being hacked. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Start small and diversify. It's always a good idea to start small and diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and consider investing in different types of cryptocurrency to spread out your risk. Learn about the risks and volatility of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a highly speculative and volatile market. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time, and there is a risk of losing your entire investment. It's important to understand the risks and be prepared for the potential of significant losses. Keep track of your investments. Keep track of your investments and watch how the different cryptocurrencies you've bought are doing. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy, hold, or sell. Stay informed about the latest news and developments in the crypto space. The cryptocurrency market is always changing, so it's important to keep up with the latest news and trends. This will help you make informed decisions about your investments. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk venture, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Consult a financial advisor. If you are unsure about investing in cryptocurrency, it's a good idea to consult a financial advisor. They can help you understand the risks and potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrency and help you come up with a plan that works for you. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and maybe make a lot of money, but you need to be careful and know what you're doing. Remember to research the different types of cryptocurrency, choose a reliable wallet, and start small. Stay informed, keep track of your investments, and consult a financial advisor if needed. Please help us by subscribing to our channel.